Today, former President Donald Trump could be hit with millions of dollars in penalties after a New York judge found he inflated the details of his fortune.
This comes on the heels of a dramatic day in an Atlanta courtroom where District Attorney Fani Willis took the witness stand in the former president's election interference case. NBC's Bree Jackson is following the latest now from Washington.
In a contentious back and forth, Fulton County DA Fani Willis acknowledged a personal relationship with the special prosecutor appointed to former President Trump's election interference case in Georgia. There are questions about whether the relationship began before or after her office hired him for Trump's case. Today could be Judgment Day in New York for former President Trump. A verdict is expected in his civil fraud trial. This after he was in court Thursday in a separate case regarding hush money allegations.
Instead of being in South Carolina and other states campaigning, I'm stuck here. It's an election interference case. Nobody's ever seen anything like it in this country. It's a disgrace.
Meanwhile, the tables were turned in Georgia, where the Fulton County District Attorney, Fani Willis, took the witness stand. She acknowledged having a relationship with Nathan Wade, who she hired as a special prosecutor in Georgia's election interference case against former President Trump. There are allegations that she benefited financially in the form of romantic getaways.
I object to you getting records. You've been intrusive into people's personal lives. You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020. I'm not on trial, no matter how hard you try to put me on trial.
Defense attorneys described the relationship as a potential conflict of interest. Legal experts also weighed in.
It speaks at the very heart of Ms. Willis's integrity and her credibility and her judgment making as a prosecutor.
Trump's defense team wants Willis removed from the election interference case or the charges against him dismissed.
This is getting ugly and it's getting messy, and my guess is it's not going to get better.
A consequential week in the courtroom for the former president. And today we are expecting a decision in Trump's civil fraud case. The former president faces a $370 million fine and a lifetime ban from the real estate industry in New York. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.